Have you ever felt the frustration of slow video production? If you want to know how to make AI videos for YouTube, the good news is you no longer need to start from scratch every time. In this video, I'll show you 5 tools that can help you make YouTube videos faster with AI, including InVideo AI and Pictory, and I'll help you figure out which one makes the most sense for your workflow. A lot of beginners want to make AI videos for YouTube, but they run into the same problems. They do not know which tool to start with, they waste time testing random platforms, and they often end up with videos that feel generic or take too long to make. The truth is, some tools are better for prompt-to-video creation, some are better for script-to-video workflows, and some are better for editing and polishing. So instead of pretending one tool is perfect for everyone, let's compare 5 strong options fairly. First up is InVideo AI. If your goal is to go from an idea or prompt to a full YouTube-ready draft quickly, this is one of the strongest tools to look at. It is especially useful for creators who want a faster prompt-to-video workflow and for faceless YouTube content. One of its biggest strengths is helping beginners create fast first drafts without needing to build every scene manually. A fair point, though, is that it still works best when your prompt is clear and specific. If your instructions are vague, your output can still feel generic. Overall, if you want one of the easiest ways to start making AI videos for YouTube from a prompt, InVideo AI is one of the best places to start. Next is Pictory, and this is another tool I would strongly recommend. Pictory is especially good if you like starting with words, whether that is a script, an article, a blog post, or a written outline. It is a strong script-to-video option for YouTube creators who prefer a more structured approach. One major strength is how naturally it fits a text-first workflow. A fair trade-off is that if you are more visual first and prefer prompting from rough ideas instead of structured text, another tool may feel more natural. But if you like turning scripts into videos quickly, Pictory is one of the best options. Third is VEED. VEED is a strong all-in-one option for creators who want AI generation plus editing tools in one workflow. It is useful for creators who want subtitles, voiceovers, editing flexibility, and AI-assisted video creation in the same platform. One of its strengths is convenience, especially if you want to generate and then refine without jumping between too many tools. A fair limitation is that it can feel a bit more editing-oriented than pure prompt-first tools. Still, it is a very solid choice if you want generation plus editing in one place. Fourth is Canva. Canva is a convenient and beginner-friendly option, especially if you already use Canva for thumbnails, presentations, or branded content. Its strength is ease of use and convenience. If you want a simple workflow and you already live inside Canva, this can feel very accessible. A fair limitation is that it may not feel as specialized for YouTube AI video workflows as dedicated video-first tools. But for quick visual creation and convenience, it is still worth considering. Fifth is CapCut. CapCut is a fast, creator-friendly option that is especially useful if you care about quick editing, templates, and a social-friendly workflow. Its strengths include speed, familiar creator-style editing, and strong support for shorter-form content and repurposed content. A fair limitation is that depending on how you use it, it may lean more toward short-form or social-style workflows than structured long-form YouTube production. But if speed matters, and you also want to make shorts, CapCut is a strong option. So if you are wondering how to make AI videos for YouTube, here's the simplest way to think about it. Choose InVideo AI if you want a strong prompt-to-video workflow and faster full video drafting. Choose Pictory if you want a strong script-to-video workflow and a more text-based process. Choose VEED if you want AI generation plus editing. Choose Canva if you want simplicity and convenience. Choose CapCut if you want speed, templates, and a social-friendly workflow. For most beginners focused on YouTube, my top 2 recommendations here would be InVideo AI for idea-to-video speed and Pictory for script-to-video simplicity. Here is a simple beginner action plan. Start with one clear video topic. Decide whether you prefer prompt-first or script-first creation. Choose a tool based on that workflow. Generate a first draft quickly. Then manually improve the hook, pacing, and call to action before publishing. That last part matters, because AI can save you time. But your videos will usually perform better when you still refine the opening and the message. If you want a resource for how to make AI videos for YouTube, check out the resource linked below. It will help you get started faster with better prompts and a simpler workflow. And if you want, I can also create more videos comparing specific tools like InVideo AI versus Pictory, so let me know in the comments.